Okay, so far so good. So we are going to add our first code lines, insert button to insert button. So we are going to save our day records into database via the this interface, Visual Studio, right? So I'm going to double click this one, save button. So you can go to the given text files previously, so you can find out the insert text file, this one. So double click it and just copy and paste into the save button, right inside the save button. So double click save button, click paste it. So nothing to change, so just remove this part and change your text file, text box name, right? This should be text box age, but the data type is different, integer, and variable name should be age, but same as this one, we have to convert dot to int 32. Okay, like this. We have to change few things, right? So then we have to change our query. We are going to insert to our table name is employee, so we are going to insert our data or record to employee table, right? So I'm going to change employee, and what are the attributes of employee table? Name and age. There is a ID also, but we don't have any business with the ID because database is automatically generate all the IDs, right? 1 2 from beginning from the 1. So we are not insert ID here, but sometime we need to find out the ID. For example, when we are updating or deleting, we need ID, right? But for now we don't need. So let me change this one also. What is the variable name? Age, right? So now you know how to change query also. After that we have to change this part, text box ID, text box name, no need to change ID, text box name and text box age. Okay, that's enough. So what is the purpose of load table? So load table is when we are inserting our data, then we have to have show in the data grid view. So we have to load the data from the database table. So that's why we have created this method load table, right? Understand? So for now I'm gonna comment this one. I will teach you how to create method and how to generate that one, right? For now no need. So we have created the insert code also. Let's run this one and find out whether it is working or not. Okay, let me enter this one. Name Sunil and age is 20. Okay, let me click this button, save. So we are gonna have some message box, record has been inserted. Okay, done. Okay, I think all the things are going smoothly. So let me check in the database table. So what is the table name? Employee. Let me click this one and select top 1000 rows. So you can see our first record here, right? So that means my code is working, right? Okay, let me start let me tell you how to load our records from database to data grid view, right? Okay,